This video is about our trip to Edinburgh, Scotland during our 15 years wedding anniversary. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Morning everyone. It's 10 a.m. here at Edinburgh and I'm on the way to Edinburgh Castle. It's not far from where I am now. And look, let me show you, it's a little bit quiet. It's different than yesterday afternoon or last night. Actually, we were walking about 8 p.m. Look. The castle is just there. Look guys, I'm gonna turn the camera around. Hello, good evening everyone. We are here at Edinburgh. And look, my dog is with us, with my husband. And this is his first holiday. And we just checked in our hotel this afternoon. Can you see it's quiet here? It's about 7 o'clock at night. That's my little dog, Ozzy. So now we are looking for a restaurant. And I don't know where we're gonna eat because the hotel we stayed in they don't serve food. No, they serve food in the morning for breakfast, but it's only continental breakfast and the bar is not open yet. But at least the non-essential travel here in Scotland is allowed now. In England, I think it will be allowed in May 28th. I'm just showing you the streets here. Edinburgh, Scotland. Look. And that's my little man. He's doing really well, although he's barking when my husband goes for a smoke. And look, he's so excited for here. So now they can drink here outside. It's the same in England. I'm not sure if they can eat. I don't think they can eat inside. This is my first time visiting Edinburgh. And this place is actually more than 5 hours drive from my town, because we live in England, in South Yorkshire, and it took us more than to reach here, more than 7-8 hours, because we had to stop 3 times. We went to a castle. Actually, we visited 2 castles today. So we went to Alnwick Castle, we went to Bamborough, and also we had a few stop services. Now that's my little man, his first holiday. Ozzy! Ozzy! The shops here now are closed. What time do they usually close their shops, Babu?
I don't know.
Choo-choo! Looks nice, the buildings here. It looks very old. I'm just gonna go so that I can video my little dodo here. I've just done a bit of a tour here at Edinburgh Castle. Oh, it's freezing here, guys. Look, there's loads of people here. This is the prisons of war, guys. Oh my god, what are these? Scary.
Termination? You give way to no one.
It looks scary here, guys. This is the prisons of war.
Protecting a prize when I was taken. But I heard the masts at the bottom of the charts were all shot away.
Oh my god.
Je me suis permis la raison à l'effort. L'ordre de notre échange a été reçu il y a 6 semaines et Middleton n'a toujours rien fait.
Look at this,
Nous
guys.
plaignons, il fait mine de ne pas comprendre notre français. Puis, il nous parle en anglais.
This is the prisons of war here in Edinburgh Castle.
Il se refuse à nous voir. Il a écrit à l'agent pour qu'il soit un contrat. Il insiste pour avoir entre ses deux avant de l'entreprendre quoi que ce soit. L'hôtel ne s'engagera pas plus car il n'a rien à y gagner.
Rien à gagner. Ils savent s'y prendre pourtant pour tirer le profit de nos malheurs. Je me demande s'ils ne songent pas à vendre son vaisseau avec des soldats qui pourraient devenir un homme riche.
William, are you well, man?
Shut up, Knight. Your stay might do no harm for a while.
Give him money for the tram, he'll let you out soon. Anything that brings him a few.
It looks scary here, guys.
Is it so bad?
This is the prisons of war here at Edinburgh Castle. Look, I'm going up. I've just been to downstairs. I've just been downstairs and it looks scary. Oh, I think they've done a good renovation here. Guys, I'm here in West Panorama here in Edinburgh Castle. So this is the view. This is the other side of the castle. Look. Morning, guys. Here's our breakfast. Look, they left it outside. I'll just pick up mine. So that's what we do. Look, you can see the room. That's where they leave the breakfast. Yeah, I just pick up mine, so our breakfast is here already. Look, let me check. Here, this is good for 2 people, and there's also coffee, tea downstairs. We can go down one at a time. So here we got 1 dish each. There, look. Oh, we get some muffin. It's a continental breakfast. So that's that. Muffin, and then we got orange juice. I think there are some yogurt. No, not orange juice, orange. We got cold water here. There, cold water. Yeah, this is free breakfast from the hotel. It's included with the price. Our spoon. So these are the yogurt. Yeah, yogurt. And the juice. So there's porridge and cereals downstairs. We can bap, sausage bap. So it's like a sausage sandwich. So I'll go down later with my husband. Oh no, we can go one at a time. So he can go first and I. So that's our breakfast, continental breakfast here, guys, because of COVID. So they don't do buffet like, you know, you can eat there in the restaurant. So that's it. There's a renovation here, guys. They renovated that one. I've just been to the real war. Now I'm going here. Down here. guys, look at the view here. I'm inside the castle now. So I've just got in the wall there. There's one gate there in the entrance. And look at the view from here. It's raining here and it's a little bit cold. So I'm here now, here at the castle. And there's cannon here beside me. Look, you can see this cannon. This is the guide map. Look, it's massive. So I don't know if I can see all this in just 2 or 3 hours. There's lots of cannons here. This is the view, guys, here from the castle. That's the Edinburgh Castle. I'm going inside. Wow, it's an amazing here. Look at the view. It's beautiful. Oh, wow. So I had to walk from there, from the main road. There's the steps. And then there's another steps there going down to the city center. Hi guys, my tour is nearly over now. Look, that's the Edinburgh Castle behind me. It's raining here and it's freezing. It's like December weather. It's very cold. Yeah. It's an amazing view there, look, overlooking view. Can you see that?